In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best Ironeye build. So in this build, we're going to be using on Ironeye. We're going to rely on the Knight of the Lord aspect like Relic. So switching weapons at an affinity attack boosts attack power for the added affinity attack, and switching weapons boosts attack power. I also have additional character skill and extend duration of weak point and also physical attack up. So what this relic does is when you switch weapons, you get a different effect, and that effect gets buffed by because it's an added affinity, and also you will get buffed because you just change weapons. So this will pair nicely with our extend. That means we can extend our critical hit, so we have a lot more time to hit it while switching weapons. So I see here we switch to holy and we damage him again like that. So that's really important, and also we have more charge when it comes to our dash. That means we can stockpile it as much as possible. So the more we swap weapons is the more we get stronger. So we have fire here on our minion, then we hit the critical hit right here. We still have fire, but that's fine. So we have like that. We can switch here, apply the wake. We can switch to magic. Then we can keep switching until we find our desired effect. I have lightning here, so that's pretty nice. So this is really handy when you're fighting a boss with a really hard weapon. Affinity to find, and also your affinity boosted power will be, like when you switch, you will get a boost of power. Let's say if you switch to magic, your magic goes up, and you go to lightning, your lightning goes up. So that's really good. So I see here, you can swap here. There we go, easy damage right here. So I see here in my status, when I swap, I will get, okay, it doesn't show up here, but it happens when here. There we go, improve lightning attack power. So that's what the Knight of the Lord, relic does to your character. So that's what I like with Ironeye. You can also swap out for initial standard attack. It would be really nice. That means you keep swapping, bows left or right, or 3+ bows added more power. So that's pretty nice too. So that's how you can build the best Ironeye build in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.